So here's the 6 simple steps of applying a Liquid Nano Smart Coating. Step 1. Clean the glass surface with the cleaner supplied in sachet 1. Leave that to dry and then buff the residue off with the microfiber cloth also supplied. Applying the Liquid Nano coating. For optimal results, apply Liquid Nano to your mobile device last thing of night to allow maximum drying and bonding time. Step 1. In a circular motion, apply Liquid Nano to all glass surfaces using the coating wipes applied in sachet 2. Make sure the screen is completely coated, including edges. Step 2. Allow glass surface to cure for at least 30 minutes. When dry, a residue will be visible on the glass. And then step 3. Once fully dry, remove any excess residue with the microfiber towel supplied. The glass particles are suspended in a solvent wipe applied to the glass, and then it evaporates, leaving a coating of Liquid Nano glass particles. The layer is flexible, breathable, highly durable, heat tolerant, antimicrobial, and offers non-stick and easy clean characteristics.